Okay guys, now we're going to learn the and the or functions. Alright, so we're going to click on the worksheet called annual sales. So once we click on annual sales, we're going to click in cell B5. So we're going to see if our sales were met or not. Alright, so in this cell we're going to click on logical, and therefrom we're going to click on and. We're going to get this window that pops up, and we want to know if our year 1, our totals, by clicking on B16, is greater than or equal to our actual goal. And then we're going to click OK. And so of course 11 million is greater than 10 million, and then we're going to drag this across, and you can see in year 3, 12.8 million is less than 13.2 million, so that's the reason why it gave it a false. Okay, now we're going to do an OR function, so let's click on Performance Worksheet. We're going to click and we're going to do these in column J here. So let's click in J5. So in J5, we're going to go back to logical. This time we're going to click on OR. Now, we're going to keep this in mind as we do this question here, so you can understand what an OR statement does. Alright, when has Richard Carey worked with the company for less than 4 years? That's what our first condition is. So we can tell that he has worked in the company for 12 years. So watch what happens when we do this. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on B5, and then we're going to type in less than and type in a 4, and it's going to give us a false statement, and we're going to hit tab, so we're on logical 2. Now let's answer this question: did Richard Carey not achieve the sales goal? So now in his sales goal, we're going to look in sales goal here, and this one is, we're going to click on G5, and we're going to put equals, and remember in quotation marks we're going to put the word no. So both of these are going to be false here for this one, because he does not, this 12 is greater than 4, and this answer is yes. Alright, so let's press OK. So it's going to give us a false for this one, but when we drag these down, we're going to click on this true one right here in J7, and we're going to click on Insert Function. So one of these statements has to be true. Alright, for Ryan here, B7 is definitely, 10 is definitely not less than 4. But if you notice, that says false there, but he did not meet his goal, and it says true. So OR means it has to meet one of these. So now you understand what an OR function does. Click OK. Alright, this concludes the and OR function.